There is a T30 locating screw that helps hold the disc in place while the wheels are off, red arrow. It can get corroded over time, and especially if you live in a Four Seasons area. You're going to remove the brake caliper and pads to change the rotors, but before you do, have someone put their foot on the brake or set the parking brake while you loosen the torque screw. Just remember to release the parking brake before removing the rotor. You're going to have to remove the caliper and should install new pads. Please see our article and video on rear brake pad replacement for additional assistance by following the link provided at the end of this video. Once you have the caliper off, make sure to hang it from the suspension. Never let the caliper hang on the brake line. Use an 18mm wrench and remove the two caliper mounting bolts, red arrows. The upper bolt is too close to the sway bar drop link to get a socket on. The bolts are considered single-use only and are micro-encapsulated from the factory. Make sure to replace the caliper hardware when performing this work. With the bolts removed, remove the caliper mount. Finish removing the T30 torque screw. Use care. Once it is removed, there is nothing holding the rotor in place, and you do not want it to drop on anything. Remove the rotor by lifting it off the hub. Use care as it is heavy. If the rotor does not come off easily first, make sure the parking brake is not on. Then try hitting the bell, the inside part, with a rubber mallet to break up any corrosion that might have developed. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to use a wire brush and clean the hub flange so there is a clean, flat, and level surface to mount the new rotor to. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.